Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here's a brand new 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29TE. This is our most popular family camper with a bunk suite, separate bunk suite in the back. It does have a private front bedroom with a king bed, mid kitchen and sofa and dinette. Has the outdoor kitchen, 200-watt solar package, and new for 2026 is the power stabilization system on all four corners. Come check it out.